Okay, I got a whole bunch of videos lined up. Let's go with this page and this one. All right. Everything is a ritual. Do one thing at a time. Structure your day, structure your life in a way that everything that you're doing has an opening and a closing ceremony. That ceremony is breath, stillness, and just awareness. Do one thing at a time. Any multitasking, we've been taught that it's productive. It's completely unproductive. Every time you're multitasking, you're fragmenting your entire energy field because your mental body is in one place, your physical body is in another place, your spiritual body might be in another place, and we're already fragmented. Our emotional body is in the past when we were 5, abused by school, parents, siblings. Your physical body is in the present. Your mental body is 10 days from now. We're already fragmented. A lot of us, most of the people. So then when you also go to multitask, you don't do the thing in front of you fully, nor do you actually plan for the thing that you think you're planning for. As you're doing the thing, you're not doing that as well. So let's say you're doing stuff on your computer and you're thinking about what you're gonna do for lunch, or what are all the things that you need to do in that day. You're not gonna do the work on your computer in high quality. You're not gonna be there. You're gonna do it like an automaton, like on autopilot, and you're not gonna plan the next things also with full commitment and concentration because you're doing the work. And this is so draining. You get lost. And then you got the radio on. And then you got 2 people talking over there about something. And then you got the coffee machine working, making things for you. So everything is a ritual. And this also brings a sacredness to mundane things in life. There's no holy place outside of this life. This is it, guys. This body that you have right now, and this life that you're leading right now, this is your heaven or hell. Don't accumulate virtue for some realm of ascended beings after either you die or after you go into whatever. No, like, live this life as if it's the holiest thing. Wash those dishes. Wash the shit out of those dishes. Vacuum the hell out of that place. Not with frustration, with devotion, meaning like, hey, this is a part of my life. This is a part of my day. A lot of life is just maintenance. A lot of life is just cleanup. Just doing the things that we need to do to stay here and stay normal. And if you do those things as rituals, if you do those things as, let's say you wake up in the morning, before you do anything, just sit there, don't open up the phone, don't do nothing. Just sit there for 15, 20 minutes, half an hour, however long you can get. And just breathe and sit there and feel the body, feel the legs, feel the arms, feel everything. Think about what you're grateful for. Think empowering thoughts. I am balanced, I am powerful, I'm energetic, I am beautiful, I am healthy. All my cells are healthy and happy and full of light. All my cells are healthy, happy, and full of love. All my cells are healthy, happy, and full of light. Beautiful things you can say. And prepare for the day. And then the first thing you do, you clean up everything. For example, and you do some workouts. Or you go to work. I don't know what your day looks like. It's up to you. After a certain point in the day, after an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, you do another break again and close out this small section by sitting there another 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15, I don't know how much time you want to give yourself. You sit down and you review, okay, what have I done since my last intermittent small meditation? I've done this, this, and this. My emotions were like this. My body was like this. My breath was like this. I did so much multitasking. I did so much one-tasking. What was better? That person's energy was not mine. That person's energy was not mine. That was mine. I'm going to take responsibility for that. I'm not going to take responsibility for that. And you take just 5 minutes of that, or 15, or an hour again. Like ideally you want to have an hour between things. That would be like abundance of time and things you have in this life. And you fragment your day in that way where everything, okay, I'm doing this is a sacred ritual. I'm going to prepare for it. How? I'm going to sit, breathe, and who am I? Where am I? What am I? What is this? What life is this? What year is this? What emotion is this? What pain is this? What thought is this? Whose energy is this or this? So everything is a ritual. Do one thing at a time. Breathe before, breathe after. Place little meditations in between. And treat everything in your life as sacred, because everything in your life is sacred. I provide guidance with everything you see on this channel. If you resonate, I can help you. I can guide you with human design, with breath work, with body practices, fascia release. iCreateLines.com, you can send an inquiry and we can have a call and see how I can help you. Peace, health, abundance, wholeness, prosperity, courage, clarity, small meditations. I create lines, clarity on how to make decisions aligned with your authenticity, courage to know that struggle is a part of it, connection with the earth and the sky, to know that we are grounded between, how to stay grounded in the world of frequency, how to have boundaries, how to have communication, compassion, connection, and collaboration. Peace, health, abundance, wholeness, courage, and clarity. My name is I Create Lines. I'm an empowerment coach. I give courage, clarity, and connection to inner authorities of every single person. I work with individuals, families, relationships, groups, and businesses to bring better communication, empowerment, how to make correct decisions based on everybody's unique energetic design and blueprint. And everybody is vastly, vastly unique. You can set up a free discovery call with me, 15-minute Zoom call through my website.
and see how we can work together. In today's world, energetic boundaries, clear connection, courage on making decisions, authenticity, boundaries are very important. Finding our own way to navigate this plane from within, respecting our unique individual nature. Here, especially for entrepreneurs, creators, deep feelers, deep thinkers, those on the spectrum, neurodivergence, bipolar, ADHD, tutoring gifted children, empowering families, how to parent based on the uniqueness of the child that comes out through human design, through typology, through somatic uniqueness and balancing. I help people balance their nervous system, learn breath work, learn how to stay grounded within an increasing field of noise in the world and an abundance of information. iCreateLines.com is the place. Set up your free 15-minute discovery call by sending an email inquiry, and peace, health, abundance, wholeness, prosperity, courage, and clarity. Let's sip on that clarity. No pressure, just presence.